Comparing contraceptive methods of family planning and the benefits of each method. Family planning is a crucial aspect of reproductive health that allows individuals and couples to plan and space their pregnancies. Contraceptive methods play a vital role in enabling people to make informed choices about when to have children and how many they would like to have. With numerous contraceptive methods available, each comes with its own set of benefits and considerations. In this article, we will delve into a detailed comparison of various contraceptive methods, highlighting the advantages of each. Barrier methods. Condoms. Condoms are one of the most widely used barrier methods. They are easily accessible, affordable, and have the added benefit of protecting against sexually transmitted infections, STIs. For those seeking non-hormonal options, condoms are a safe and effective choice. Benefits. Highly effective in preventing sexually transmitted infections, STIs. Easily accessible and available over the counter. No hormonal side effects. Suitable for both males and females. Considerations. Must be used consistently and correctly. Some people may have latex allergies. Diaphragm and cervical cap. These barrier methods are inserted into the vagina to cover the cervix and prevent sperm from reaching the uterus. They are reusable, hormone-free, and can be inserted shortly before intercourse. Benefits. Non-hormonal. Protect against STIs, condoms. Reversible and can be used on an as-needed basis. Hormonal methods. Oral contraceptives. Birth control pills. Oral contraceptives are hormonal pills that contain a combination of estrogen and progestin or only progestin. They are highly effective when taken correctly and consistently. Benefits. Highly effective when taken correctly. May offer non-contraceptive benefits, such as reduced menstrual cramps and acne. Considerations. Requires daily commitment. Potential side effects, including nausea and mood changes. Not suitable for everyone, especially those with certain medical conditions. Injectables. Depo-Provera. Depo-Provera is a hormonal contraceptive administered as an injection every 3 months. It is convenient and provides long-term contraception. Benefits. Only required every 3 months. Highly effective. Reduces the risk of uterine cancer. Considerations. Possible weight gain and irregular bleeding. Delayed return to fertility after discontinuation. Hormonal implants. These are small rods inserted under the skin, releasing hormones to prevent pregnancy for several years. They are highly effective and low maintenance. Benefits. Highly effective at preventing pregnancies. Regulate menstrual cycles and reduce menstrual cramps. Lighten menstrual flow. Improved acne and reduced risk of certain cancers. Intrauterine devices. IUDs. Copper IUD. The copper IUD is a hormone-free contraceptive that is placed in the uterus. It is a long-term and reversible method of contraception. Hormonal IUD. Hormonal IUDs release progestin into the uterus, preventing fertilization. They are highly effective and can last for several years. Benefits. Long-term contraception, 5 to 10 years. Highly effective. Reduced menstrual bleeding and cramping. Hormonal IUD. Quick return to fertility upon removal. Sterilization. Tubal ligation. For women, this surgical procedure involves blocking or sealing the fallopian tubes to prevent eggs from reaching the uterus. It is a permanent form of contraception. Benefits. Permanent and highly effective. No need for ongoing contraception. Considerations. Irreversible. Surgical procedure with potential risks. Vasectomy. For men, a vasectomy involves cutting or blocking the vas deferens, preventing the release of sperm during ejaculation. It is a permanent form of contraception. Benefits. Permanent and highly effective. No need for ongoing contraception. No hormonal changes. Considerations. Irreversible. May require a period of post-procedure contraception. Natural family planning. Calendar method. This method involves tracking menstrual cycles to determine fertile and non-fertile days. It is hormone-free and reversible. Basal body temperature, BBT, method, tracking basal body temperature to determine the fertile period. It is non-invasive and hormone-free. Benefits. non-hormonal and natural. No side effects. Inexpensive. Conclusion. Choosing a contraceptive method is a highly personal decision influenced by various factors, including health, lifestyle, preferences, and relationship dynamics. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to discuss individual circumstances and make an informed decision about the most suitable contraceptive method based on its benefits and considerations. Whether opting for barrier methods, hormonal methods, intrauterine devices, sterilization, or natural family planning, the key is to find a method that aligns with an individual's reproductive goals and overall well-being.